How to access your VPS via VNC in Virtualizor. You can access your VPS via VNC in case of an emergency, such as when a firewall blocks your IP, the internet connection on VPS is not working, you are unable to access your VPS via SSH, or for OS installation, reinstallation reasons, etc. Click the Manage icon of the VPS you wish to access. On the top right side, click the VNC icon. Click HTML5 VNC Client option. That's it. It is connected now, and we can log in and manage our VPS from this VNC area. Thank you for watching.